Oh, you guys still new Vanguard box? Let's crack it. See what we got. And a dice. You broke two dice. Oh look, it's Angel Feathers. I like that. I'll pick that up. What motions we got? Okay, we got the tokens. Okay. Okay. What do we got here? First pack. First card. Okay. So, pretty much we got the Angel Feather common, Genesis, Gold, Angel Feather. Okay. Angel Feather. And the first rare is a dragon of some sort. And we have a triple rare here. Cosmic, Regra, CEO. Okay, that's it. I can't pronounce that. You tell me. You guys can. That's the card that I can get the camera to focus on it. Probably not, but that's it. I'm actually keeping that because I make a bunch of fan service jokes on my free time. I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm just gonna go through the rares because I gotta make sure I mess myself up now. Okay, that's rare. Yeah, my friends are watching it and you got a problem with it, take it up with someone Okay, so we have a black maple card. Let's see what this is. Another triple rare, and it's some kind of draconic dude. Which I don't want that because hey, I'm not that big into dragons right now. I like dragons that are like normal dragons, not dragon humanoids. Okay, Holy Arch. Okay, I can't pronounce that card. I'm sorry. Ooh, what's this? Angel Feather, Black, Aisha, Jet Cooper. I don't know. I'll keep it down because, like I said, fancy these jokes. Oh, they have extra points back. So this is okay. So I think we got this guy already. Next is a witch, rainbow witch, white rainbow witch, something. That's the card. Okay, that's new. Okay, what we got here? That's me. Um, that's part rated in. What's over here? Love sniper. Oh, she's finally back. I remember this card. She's finally back and she's a great too now. That's cool. Okay, what's we got here? Black, Catalyst, Zaka. I don't know. Oh, I remember this guy. Oh, he's VR rare. Mystic Beast. This dude. I don't know his name. What's up, man? That's at my friend's house. Don't judge me. What's that guy here? Armor Dragon dude. I'm sorry if I can't get all the good pictures. And a Chain Bolt Dragoon. Chain Bolt Dragoon. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have a Scaling Angel. Knight of Strong for. I'm just gonna call her a Gold Paladin girl because I can't think of a name. Let's see what we got here. Mystic Beast. Okay. Some cat guy Mystic Beast card and a black. Oh, it's one of those 3,000 Sentinels. Which I'm keeping that because that's a good joke. What the? I got 3 rares in this pack, guys. So what's the first one is? This witch again. And Razor Dragon. What's this? I guess this is a reprint or something. Yeah, this is a reprint or something. And an angel, a Lance Dragon, pretty cool. Okay, so we have a Very Will, Stealth, Twan, Jenna, pretty much a 3,000 show for Narukami. No, Genesis. Next up. Looks like they get more supports from Astral Planes. Okay, so we have right off the bat, Dragon Lance and Ball Borer something. So let's see what we got here is a Noxa and one of those crazy spell card things. We got to the last 2 packs, guys. Well, one after this one. Okay, so we have Love, Machine Gun, this thing, and a Gold Paladin card, Virtual Flame. Last pack, let's see what we got. That's how I think about women in real life. Anyway. A Gold Paladin card, and the last card of the set is I guess, a Shaman of some sort. But, I hope you all enjoyed. This is me just goofing off, so, catch y'all later. Bye.